Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today, where we are going to show you exactly how to exit a group text Android to stop those constant notifications from cluttering your phone, and you will be relaxed. It is a simple process that helps you regain control over your inbox, so now let's get started. Step 1 is to open the Messages app on your Android smartphone, which serves as the primary hub for all your text-based conversations. Step 2 involves scrolling through your inbox to find and open the thread of the chat you want to leave. Identifying the correct conversation is important so that you do not accidentally silence or remove a group that you actually want to stay a part of. Step 3 is to tap the three dots located at the upper right corner of the screen to open the chat's menu options. This menu contains specific settings for that group, allowing you to customize how the app handles incoming messages from these specific participants. Step 4 requires you to click silent or mute under options, or if that is not available, click group details, then tap notification and turn on set to mute. This is a crucial step because it ensures that even if you remain in the system, your phone will no longer buzz or ring every time someone sends a message. Step 5 is to tap the three dots again to return to the management menu now that the conversation has been successfully silenced. Reopening this menu is the final bridge toward removing the clutter from your main message list entirely. Step 6 is to delete the conversation, which officially removes the entire message history and the thread from your view. By muting first and then deleting, you ensure that even if the group stays active, it will no longer disturb you or appear in your primary inbox. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.